what's up guys? As you can tell by the title, the hatch is down. But the hatch is down for good reason. This morning I went and dropped off the ECU to post office. Got a box, got some bubble wrap, which is very overpriced. I recommend you buy this at Walmart because at the post office, this stuff's like $5. I mean, I had some left over, but $5 for some bubble wrap, you're gonna shred up, throw away like, not so sure it's worth it. But anyways, so after I got the box and everything, it ended up being, it's like $9.90 to ship and then like $4 for it. It ended up being like $13.89 to ship the ECU. I shipped it to Humble Performance. So what I don't know is if I'll have to pay for them to ship it back. Because see, Hybrid Racing's website, apparently when you order, there's a shipping charge you pay as soon as you order the Hondata Kpro. Humble Performance's page does not have that. So I have a feeling I'm gonna have to pay that before they ship it back, but that's fine. So I did it like priority mail. So my ECU should be out in like 2-3 days, something like that. And then once I get it back, I can upload the base map. And I still have to drill a hole for the ECU mount. I gotta get that mounted. I'm gonna do that today. Because I'm cheap, I picked up a new drill. Charged the battery. I was gonna install the ECU mount for the hatch, and then I realized I don't have any drill bits here. All my drill bits are at the other freaking house. I'm gonna run to Walmart, pick up a drill bit. So I don't know. I just want some new ones to keep here. I have some at the shop where the hatch used to be. I'd rather have some here. So I'm just gonna go pick up like 1 or 2 drill bits the size I need, just have some brand new ones just to make everything quick, simple, easy, fast. Get some food while I'm out probably. But so we had the first bit of snow today, so it's been cold. I don't like the cold, so it's been chilling in the house, and painting is kind of like my go-to thing in the winter, just to pass time. So yeah, I don't know how good you can see this. Sort of has like a space ashy kind of vibe to it, and then the fade that was masked off is based off of the Sylvia S15 that Adam LZ drives. Obviously you know that car if you know any car at all. But yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go grab a drill bit and get this Checkered Sports ECU mounted in the hatch finally, because it's been sitting for deep. Even though I don't have an ECU to put on it now, it's still gonna be nice to have it in the hatch. So
I don't want to get out in the cold. The cold sucks. And I need a freaking drill bit.
my life story. I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing. It's freaking cold outside, which is lame. Alright, so I still got to drill 2 of the bottom holes, but here's where I mounted it. So just going off the factory hole up here. Yeah, I guess it's sort of mounted upside down so you don't see the bottom hose, but you know what? It works. I don't mind it. And even with one bolt, it's honestly stupid sturdy, so. But, so I did have the relay mounted off this top bolt. I'm going to mount it back over here now. And then this wire, I have it tied up here. But I'm going to try to tuck all this and basically either run everything to where it comes behind here and then like maybe through the hose if it'll fit, and then up into the ECU or something, or I don't know. I'm going to find a clean way to do that though. But that's basically the gist of it, and I'll show you guys what I figure out. So it's basically out of the way. I got it mounted up, carpet's kind of tucked back down under it. You're still going to see wires. There's no way to completely hide it, especially using that mount. But since the mount looks good, it's not that big of a deal. So here's what I got. Alright, so obviously the ECU is going to mount downwards, I believe, with the plugs facing the bottom. And with it being like that, that's going to allow me to, just kind of plug everything in here and then just move it out of the way.
I would like to have done this a little better. This line, if it goes on the bottom or something, if I have enough room, I'll run it behind and under. But yeah, so, I mean, that's pretty much what we got. And I did go ahead and scruff it up, paint it black. Behind there, I am going to be running the covers, just not the kick panel. So you won't see any of this. It'll kind of come through, and I'm going to notch it out probably. Whatever, to make it all like nice and flush, so that'll work pretty good. So yeah, I know that's a little bit on the random side, guys, but ECU cover is mounted. May change it up later on, I don't know. ECU is sent off, exhaust is on the way in, that shipped out earlier. So hopefully we get it back pretty soon so I can have some content for you guys. But thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned because there is content coming. Thanks for watching. Check out the 2 videos.